All right, good question. So basically, I spent 1 year in Freshman Institute of Aachen, and then after that, I found some universities that suitable for me and also study degrees, And then like I applied to different study degrees in Cologne, Düsseldorf, Aachen, and Cleveland, of course, and so on. But then I got accepted, but then all of them is either only about business or economics. And at that time, I think that, I was looking for something else, like much more challenging and strange for me to study. So yeah, and then I got to know that there's a study degree they call International Taxation and Law from Hochschule Rhine-Waal. And I just think that, okay, yeah, that's for me. And also one more reason is that when I first came to Cleveland and to the campus, right, there is the canal between two sides of the campus, which is really cool. And that is the biggest reason that made me fall in love with this university. And that's why I'm here now to my third semester.